Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Today we'll start with revaluation and translation. So yesterday we start with conversion. So conversion is nothing but it is converting the currencies transactions whatever we have done on a specific given time. So that we checked with our what do you call this one balances. Okay. So, what we will do is that to check the revaluation, whether the journal entry is getting created or not, whether it is in profit or loss. So, what we will do is that we will define different rates on the different periods, and we will try to understand whether it is getting the profitability of the particular transaction. Okay. So, this is the navigation where we will run the revalue balances and translate balances. We can click here and run the report, or probably we can go to the schedule process and run this process as well. There are two processes. Okay. So as a first step, what I will do is that I'll go to the uh, daily rates. So I will upload few daily rates with different date range. Okay, so there are no rates defined for INR to Mauritius currency. So we will create the same thing. I mean, the process is same. So we will download the Excel sheet and we will fill in with the details, and then we will upload back into the application, and then we will do the transaction and check whether it is working. Okay, so I have given different rates for the different date range. So that is from 1st of April to 10th of April, it would be 85 rupees, and 11th to 20th, it is 92. So this is just to calculate whether this profit and loss is working fine or whether the journal is getting generated. So basically, what we will try to do is that we will try to create a transaction on let's say 10th of April, and we will run this particular revaluation on 30th of April, which is month end. So we will try to understand how this difference is getting generated. So first thing is I'll load this into the application. We'll say submit. Yeah, this has been loaded. Yeah, we have the rates defined. So now we will create one manual journal entry. So I'll pass the simple JV which we passed yesterday, that is expense account to cash account. Okay, so let's check whether this concurrent program is completing its success status, and then probably we will run the revaluation. Yeah, this is done. So now what we will do is that we will go to this one, accounting dashboard, and from there we will run the revaluation. Okay, so this is where basically we define our unrealized gain and loss account. Okay, so basically what we have done is that we gave a name for the revaluation, and we selected our chart of accounts, and we selected, okay, it's yeah, yeah, we selected our currency, and we selected our conversion rate type, that is corporate. So after this, we defined the unrealized gain account and unrealized loss account. Okay. So we are saying to the system that income statement account is on the basis of PTD. So the reason being is that let's say if I give OITD, so in this case, system is not going to generate the revaluation journals. So for those cases, what will happen is that if I select YTD only on the year end, that is on the March month, March month or December month, based on our calendar definition. So it is going to generate this revaluation journal. So apart from that, system is not going to calculate it every month, but we don't want that process to be followed. We wanted this to be calculated every month. So what I do is that I give a period to date. Okay. And then we have an option to post it. So whether I want to post it automatically, or I want to revalue this, and then probably I'll select if I want to post this accounts. Okay. Okay, so once this is done, we have accounts to be defined. Okay, so for now I added only a cash account. So based on the requirement, we can add any number of accounts, and probably we can run the revaluation. Okay, so I have saved this. So now I'll click generate. Okay, so I have selected my data access set. I have selected my ledger, and HWREV is what we created just now. That is our revaluation template name. Okay, and we are running this particular revaluation process for April month. So after selecting a period, system will ask for the date when we wanted to calculate. It's not mandatory that we wanted to have only on 30th April, but as a business, I mean, as an standard practice, it has been followed that we will run at period end. So that's why I did not change the date. It is 30th April 2021. Okay. And rate is nothing but the currency rate date. So this also I'm not changing. It is 30th April 2021. Okay, so let's navigate to the schedule process. Okay, I think I selected functional currency. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, let me create a new one. Okay, so now we can see that the journal has been created. So we can see this is our revaluation execution report. So wherein we have a few currency this thing. So system has generated this journal entry. So the journal entry name is for INR. Okay, so I'll take this batch name and we will check it in the application. Okay, so this is our journal entry. We can see that source is revaluation and category is revaluation. So since we did not give this option of posting automatically, so this batch is in unposted status. So we will have to review it once and then we can post this entries. Okay. So here we can see that there is no difference in entered currency because there is no change basically. But in accounted currency, we will have a differences. That is 31 rupees is the difference because of the currency rate change. Because if you remember, we gave a different date for 10th of April and we gave different rate for 30th of April. And the revaluation program that we ran for this particular period is on 30th of April. So that is with 98 rupees. So that is why system has taken few differences and it has highlighted it is 31 rupees dot 21. Okay. Yeah. So I'll post this program. Okay. So the revaluation journal also got posted. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so next thing that we will see is translation. So that is translating the balances. So we saw that revaluation is nothing but revaluing the currency balance on the specific given date. And translation is nothing but, so that is for the specific accounts, the revaluation. So now we will see what will happen if I do a translation. Okay, rates are also there. So let me check whether it is defined in ledger options. Yeah, so the account is not given, so probably I'll give the required inputs here. Okay, so we have given account here, so I'll select the corporate rate. Yeah, let's wait for this program to be completed. So probably after that we can check this. Okay, I think some issue in generating the target currency. Uh, Maybe I'll check this and we will see it on tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll have on the same time, right? 8:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.